Hello guys, welcome to Chebu Electrical Solutions. Now today what I want to show you, so let me show you something. As you can see, that one is an instant shower, and yeah, that one is an instant shower. Then this one is the main switch. Now what is the problem here? As you can see, so you see this one here, it overheated until it disappeared. So guys, I want to tell you something. So a shower has almost 40 amperes, 30 to 40 amperes. Now as you can see, this what you call a main switch here, I think it is Joakali. It is written 16/20 amperes. So this one, it means it can carry a maximum of 16 amperes, not even 20. Maximum 16. 20 it exceeds. Okay, so that shower, my friend, this guy was overloading this main switch. So the problem that could have occurred here, it could have been a short circuit and it could burn the house. So when it comes to electrical installations, make sure you find good, you do calculation first, then you do calculation first, then you make sure you install your apparatus correctly with good measurement and a good consumer and CCU. So right now I want to remove that one, and we do. That is good and properly needed. So keep following Chebu Electrical Solutions for more. Now bye.